Over 2.0 is on the way. But right now, it's time for Number Cook-Off with Chef Murray and Chef Ovejita. Chef Ovejita? Oh, where is that little lamb now? Chef Ovejita, what number recipe are we making today?
Voy por los ingredientes.
Perfect idea. She's getting the ingredients. Oh, let's see what you got here, okay? We have 1 stick of butter.
Uno.
What else you got? Okay, we got another stick of butter.
Dos.
Very rich. What else you got, Ovejita?
Nada.
Nothing else? What are we making? Let's see. What is it? Go! Hey! It's the number 2!
Vamos a ver más del número 2.
Yeah, let's see more on the number